How to temporarily deactivate Snapchat account. So unfortunately, the Snapchat application currently does not provide this feature. But what you can do is to launch your Snapchat application and then go to your profile icon located on the upper left corner and then tap on the gear icon located on the upper right corner. From here, you will need to scroll all the way down and select My Data. Then tap Manage Account and then select Delete My Account. So in this page, it says that you only have 30 days to log in back to your account so that your account will not be permanently deleted. So you have to make sure that before it reaches the 30th day from the day you process this action, you have already logged in back to your account. But if you're not fond of this process, then I have another option for you. So instead of selecting My Data, just tap Log Out, then select Log Out, and then uninstall the application. So I think that uninstalling the app is a better option as an alternative to deactivate your account, as you can just reinstall the application and log in back to your account whenever you like, as you won't be dealing with the permanent removal of your account. So those are the two alternative ways to deactivate your Snapchat account. Thank you and have a great day.